I'm Catherine Bartels, and today is February 4th, 2018, Sunday. This is for Bio 230, and I'm going to talk to you about 4 shapes of bone. There are long bones, which are cylinder-like shape, longer than it is wide, short bones, which are cube-like shape, approximately equal in length, width, and thickness, flat bones, which are thin and curved, irregular bones, complex shaped, sesamoid bones, small and round, embedded in tendons. Example of a long bone is, this is my skeleton, and it's the humerus, which is a long bone, and it articulates with the scapula. This is the scapula, and this is the ulna of the forearm, and this is the radius. And another long bone is the femur of the leg, and it articulates with the acetabulum of the coxal bone, also known as the hip, and the femur fibula. This is a fibula on the outside, and the big bone is a tibia. And another is the short bones. Carpals in the hand articulates with head of the bone of the ulna radius. Medially, it articulates with the metacarpals. Here are the carpals, and it articulates with the metacarpals and the radius and ulna. All here would be the wrist. And another is talus in the foot, also known as the ankle, articulates with the calcaneus bones, fibula, and tibia of the lower leg, which is right here. This is the talus, and it articulates with, this is the tibia, and this is the fibula, and this is the foot. And an example is a flat bone, which is the scapula in the shoulder, articulates with the manubrium and humerus of the upper arm. So here is the scapula, and it articulates with the humerus, the manubrium. And this is another flat bone, and it's a sternum, and it articulates with the cartilages and then the ribs. And a irregular bone is a vertebrae in the back, articulates with the corresponding vertebrae on top and bottom. Here's a vertebrae, and here's the cervical, thoracic, lumbar, and sacral, and they articulate with each other. And another irregular bone is a sphenoid, which articulates with the bones of orbit in the skull where the eyeball sits. A sphenoid bone would be in here. And a sesamoid bone is a patella bone. Knee articulates with the humerus and tibia and fibula. Here is the patella, and it articulates with the femur and the tibia and the fibula. And another sesamoid bone is pisiform bone in the wrist, articulates with the carpals and the ulna and radius of the forearm. Anterior position of the hand, here it is, and this would be posterior. And here's the carpals, and here's the ulna, and here's the radius.